Hello guys, so today we have a new stock from the Insta360 Extended Edition selfie stick, which is 3 meters. So actually, when I got my Insta360, I'm planning to get this 3 meter. So if I don't want to use my drone, this is like a drone shot for your Insta360, but it's out of stock to that time. But today, guys, we have the stock of this extended edition selfie stick of Insta360. We will try to use this. And before anything else, I'm gonna show you also the stocks that we have from Insta360. Of course, we have the Insta360 X3. Yeah, we have the One RRS Insta360 Go 3. We have already the Insta360 Go 3, but we don't have a demo unit. And yeah, we didn't made an unbox. But soon, if we receive a demo unit, we'll try to do an unboxing. And of course, we have the Insta360 Flow. Yeah, we have already here the Insta360 Flow. Yeah, and we have the Bullet Time bundle. And we have the Bullet Time bundle. We have lens cap for Insta360. We have Insta360 X3 mic adapter. We have the sticky lens guard for Insta360. Battery from Insta360 X3 is also available now. We have the Insta360 X3 fast charging hub, so you can charge your three batteries at the same time. So this is what we have now stock from the Insta360. So again, guys, let's try to use this Insta360 extended sticks, which is 3 meters. And yeah, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and all how-to or tutorials. Yeah, and so again, without further ado, let's try to use this Insta360 Extended Edition stick. And that's it for today, guys. Again, we have the restock of the Insta360 extended edition stick or invisible stick. So again, guys, if you want to check the price and availability of the extended stick, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com, or you can order online, guys. So yeah, again, check out our extended selfie stick, the 3 meters. So it's very best for travel if you want to bring extra like a fake drone shot, FPV, fake FPV shots. So check this one, guys, the extended selfie stick from Insta360. But again, make sure that you have already your Insta360 X3. So, so, di ba? Mamaya wala ka Insta360. But again, guys, make sure that you have already your Insta360 X3. Then, this is a good accessories to buy with your Insta360 X3, the Insta Extended Edition Selfie Stick. So, yan. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Again, check our website www.abworld.com. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.